Ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level? Today, we're counting down the 20 coolest camping gear and gadgets for 2026 that will turn your rugged campsite into a high-tech base camp. We're talking about next-level survival gear, portable power stations, and smart camping lanterns that do way more than just light up the dark. Whether you're into wilderness survival, overlanding, or just want the best luxury glamping gear, these are the top-rated Amazon camping finds you need to see. Stick around for number 1, because it's a total game-changer for off-grid living. Let's get into the best camping gadgets of 2026. Having a reliable shelter makes every trip easier and more comfortable. The Montiro Triphyr backpacking tent is a lightweight, durable, and versatile two-person tent built for hiking enthusiasts. Its spacious rectangular design fits two 25-inch sleeping pads, while ripstop nylon with waterproof coating and taped seams offers solid protection. The F-Nexus extension two-person combo, it adds extra covered space, making it ideal for backpacking, camping, hiking, and biking adventures. Turning your vehicle into a comfortable base camp makes every trip easier. The Jagahaha SUV sleeping bed is an all-in-one sleeping bed platform and slide-out overland kitchen designed for car camping. It features a folding camping table with a storage drawer, a truck bed slide, a stove support, and an organized kitchen space. Built for fast setup and durability, it's essential overland gear for SUV trunk camping, long trips, and outdoor cooking on any terrain. Changing in and out of a wetsuit shouldn't leave a mess behind. The Motomy Wetsuit Changing Mat is a compact 2-in-1 wetsuit bag made with waterproof 5000X tech to keep you and your car clean and dry. It holds multiple wetsuits and surf gear, folds into an easy carry bag, and includes a slide suit changing sock. Perfect for surfing, diving, paddleboarding, and other water sports, it's a smart, gift-ready essential for clean, hassle-free sessions. Great outdoor meals start with reliable fire and smart design. The Odun outdoor stove reimagines wood-fired cooking with a compact, portable, and multifunctional build made for real adventures. Crafted from stainless steel and composite alloys, it delivers warmth, flavor, and connection wherever you set up. This multifunctional stove works as a pizza oven, tent heater, and grill, letting you grill, bake, boil, simmer, and smoke with precision airflow control. Easy to carry and fast to set up, it's perfect for camping, beaches, gardens, and cozy tent cooking anywhere. A tarp is more than shelter, it's your base camp and protection in the wild. The Bache Ultralight Speed Tarp makes setup fast and stress-free, launching in under 60 seconds. Built with modern lightweight materials, it features at least 16 guy points, Dyneema, reinforced grid stop, Hypalon loops, and stainless steel rings for a knotless setup. Available in 10x10 or 10x12 sizes, it's ideal for camping, hiking, and outdoor shelter from rain, wind, and sun. Sleeping well outdoors makes every trip better. The Bozeman Outdoors Camping Pillow is designed to deliver real rest with premium memory foam that feels supportive, familiar, and comfortable. Built with a durable, no-nonsense design, these pillows won't flatten or fail on long trips. Lightweight and packable with a compression sack, they're perfect for sleeping bags, hiking, and camping. Each set includes a sleeping mask and earplugs, making them ideal for backpacking, travel, and nights under the stars. Comfort and convenience make every outdoor moment better. Oru Camp Origami. Furniture brings lightweight, portable, and durable pieces to your campsite or backyard. Featuring built-in storage, rigid yet easy-to-clean materials, and quick unfolding, it includes versatile items like the Flip Cube, ergonomic potlatch lounge chair, and switch table with dual compartments. Perfect for relaxing, dining, or organizing gear, these stylish, modern designs make connecting with nature and loved ones more enjoyable, whether on epic adventures or casual outdoor gatherings. Reliable lighting transforms every outdoor adventure. The Mars Player's Camping Light offers freedom and ease with adjustable beams, a 15-degree downward angle, and a far-reaching strobe mode for safety. Crafted from durable aviation-grade aluminum, it stands strong and includes a magnetic tripod for versatile attachment. Perfect for night fishing, camping, or quick repairs, it provides gentle ambient light or focused illumination. With up to 4 hours of battery life on a single charge, it keeps your adventures bright and worry-free. Keep mosquitoes and ticks at bay with Super Ninja Mosquito Repellent. This 100ml DEET-free spray provides up to 8 hours of strong protection for kids and adults, indoors or outdoors. Its gentle, non-greasy formula is safe for babies over 1 year and tough on insects. Ideal for hiking, camping, or backyard fun, it offers long-lasting defense while being skin and planet-friendly, ensuring you and your family enjoy outdoor adventures without bites or irritation. Streamline your outdoor adventures with the Aecooly Modular CamperKit. This all-in-one 11-in-1 tool uses a smart Aecooly magnetic system to instantly recognize and attach over a dozen modules, unlocking versatile functions. Built from durable metal, it's rugged enough for real outdoor use. With a 25.9-watt battery, one 4th-inch mount compatibility, and a convenient hook for backpacks or tents, the CamperKit keeps all your essentials organized, powered, and ready. Perfect for camping, hiking, or any adventure where efficiency and versatility matter. Adventure doesn't stop. For dirt or sweat, clean up anywhere with confidence. The WaterPORT pressurized water tank is a 4.0-gallon solution for camping showers and vehicle water storage, built for trucks and off-road vehicles. Featuring a self-pressurizing system with pump cap, 8-foot hose, and multi-pattern nozzle, it bumper mounts or bed mounts easily and is used for off-road showers, rinsing gear, and outdoor cleanups. Fire up every cookout like a pro with confidence and control. The Romanticist Grill Accessories set is a top chef-approved professional grill tool set, essential when basic tools just won't cut it. Crafted from premium steel with extra thick blades, it includes a spatula, fork, tongs, and a basting brush with heat resistance and smart features. Perfect for backyard, restaurant, or outdoor kitchen grilling, and a deluxe grill gift for dad. Love camping and grilling, but hate hauling bulky gear? Meet the Rescue Caveman Camping Grill, the featherlight portable grill built for serious backpackers. When space and weight matter, this 6-pound grill folds completely flat, fits in a backpack, and still cooks mean steaks. Designed with a grill grate, flat-top griddle, and skewer slots, it uses charcoal or wood and is made from FDA-approved materials, perfect for camping, tailgating, and off-grid cooking. Ever fumbled with zippers after dark? The Rune Refinery Firefly zipper pull was created by a couple of guys with families who love road trips, work, school, and play. Using high-intensity glow resins, this functional and fun zipper pull boosts visibility and location at night. A quick 30-second glow charge lasts for hours, making it perfect for tents, bags, keys, backpacks, hiking, camping, and even as a gentle nightlight for kids. Turn any space into a relaxation zone with the Anow Double Hammock, built for comfort when rest really matters. When chairs feel limiting, this stand-included rope hammock that delivers true lounging freedom indoors or outdoors. Featuring a detachable pillow and pad, double-layered quilted fabric, handcrafted ropes, and a 52-inch spreader bar, it supports a 450-pound weight capacity. Perfect for gardens, balconies, backyards, poolside relaxation, and shared leisure time. Cold drinks and fresh food shouldn't stop when the road does. The Eenour car refrigerator solves the need for reliable cooling anywhere you travel. This portable freezer, 10.6 quarts and 10 liters battery, and solar-powered cooler runs on 25 watts and cools from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, operating on 12 and 24 volts DC or 110 to 240 volts AC. With detachable battery power, quiet operation, and smart storage, it's ideal for 2 people on road trips, trucks, camping, and off-grid adventures. Tired of juggling plates while grilling? The Blazing Grill. Prep and serving trays are the smart solution every grill session needs. This set of 2 stackable stainless steel barbecue grill trays keeps prep, cooking, and serving clean and organized. Designed to avoid cross-contamination, the deep tray handles raw food while the flat tray serves. Durable, heat-resistant, BPA-free stainless steel grill accessories make marinating, chopping, plating food, and barbecue prep seamless. Dead batteries don't wait, and neither should you. The Mosquito Jump Starter is a must-have emergency companion for every driver. This 12-volt car battery jump starter delivers up to 6,000 amperes to start all gas engines and 12-liter diesel engines fast, even in extreme temperatures. With an LED display, smart jumper cable, and storage case, it adds confidence on the road. Featuring a 3-mode flashlight, portable jump box design, and power bank function, it's used for jump-starting vehicles, roadside emergencies, camping, and daily travel reliability. Never compromise on comfort while adventuring with the One Tigris Air Dream camping pillow. This ultralight inflatable pillow is essential for anyone who wants restful sleep on the go. Featuring 2 cm thick high-resilience foam, it adapts perfectly to your head and neck for side, back, or stomach sleepers. Compact and portable, it compresses to the size of a soda can, making it ideal for backpacking, hiking, camping, or RV trips. Made with soft TPU fabric and ergonomic curved design for ultimate comfort and support. Make every outdoor adventure more comfortable with the I Love Cole folding camping stool. This portable mini foldable stool is a must-have for camping, fishing, hiking, gardening, or beach trips. Weighing only 1.3 pounds, it folds in seconds and fits into the included carry bag for easy transport. Made with 600D fabric and steel pipes, it supports up to 220 pounds while providing a soft, comfortable seat. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor activities. That's our list of the 20 best camping gadgets for your next adventure. Which of these outdoor essentials are you packing for your next trip? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your campsite setup. If you want to stay updated on the latest camping tech and wilderness gear reviews, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the coolest camping gear featured in today's video. Thanks for watching, stay wild, and we'll see you in the great outdoors.